with, all right, so this is pretty cool. The tools they sent with the RiderX here, it's pretty decent tools. Take a look. Here, let me flip the camera. So, all right, let me go down there. All right, so this is the tool bag. It ships with the bike, and these tools are pretty solid. You get a 17, a 15, a 14, a 13, a 12, another 14. Maybe you gotta double tighten something, and then a 10 and an 8, and then this right here. And these are all pretty solid tools. I mean, like, I have obviously my real tools sitting around here, but for initial put together, I'm gonna try it with these tools. So, and then obviously we have parts and stuff over here. I haven't really fully unboxed it, but tools come in the bag. Let's see if they do the trick. All right, guys, here, Quietease RiderX. We're doing the put together. It arrived 5 days early, and it's in great condition. Shipping, completely around the globe. I don't even know how, in a crate or whatever, but they packed it well. I don't see anything broken, nothing scratched. Everything was in the right place so far. So, great job to Quietease. I mean, or Goldfish Trading on Amazon, right? That's the seller. So they're doing good work here. This is, I'm happy right now. So we're gonna go through, and I previously unboxed the tools. These look like decent tools. I'm gonna try to put the bike together with these tools. I have real tools on standby, but these are actually pretty solid. And I want to see if it's possible and how well it goes together. So, and I'm probably always gonna, snug everything down and check it out later with some real tools. But yeah, for initial, let's get it put together. The first bag that I found in there has these clamps for the up top, and then I guess for this this thing here. So I'm following the directions in order, and I'm gonna put it together. The other box that was initially laying on top was this box, and apparently it's the charger. So I know the charger is super important because these take a while to charge. These are really big batteries. So it is a 3.5 amp charger, so I'm not super excited about that, but it should do the trick. I think the 5 amp charger is what to have, but I could probably make something work. So the connector piece just looks like an XLR cable, pretty standard, but I trust these type of cables. The XLR cables, they're the better of probably any connection. That's why we've been using them for 100 years, I feel like. So these are pretty solid connectors. All right, so I'm gonna try to put those clamps. So there's handlebars. That's the first part of the instruction, is to assemble the handlebars and attach the triple clamps to the handlebars. So I'm gonna start working on that.